Ever felt that knot of anxiety in your stomach when sending crypto? You're not alone. The world of digital assets can feel a bit like navigating a maze, especially when it comes to securely moving your hard-earned coins. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify that process, to hold your crypto in a tangible, secure device that puts you in complete control? That's where Tangem comes in. Think of it as a sleek, ultra-secure hardware wallet that fits right in your pocket. No complex setups, no endless seed phrases to write down, just a simple, elegant card that holds the keys to your digital kingdom. So, you've got your Tangem wallet, and you're ready to move some crypto onto it. Fantastic! Today, we're going to walk through the straightforward steps to send your cryptocurrency to your Tangem wallet, ensuring a smooth and secure transfer. First things first, you'll need a source for your crypto. This could be an exchange where you've purchased your digital assets, or another wallet where you currently hold them. Make sure you have the app for that platform open and you're logged in. Now, grab your Tangem card and your smartphone. You'll need to use the Tangem app, which you should have already downloaded and set up. Open the app and tap the Receive button. This will prompt you to scan your Tangem card. Simply hold your card against the back of your phone, and the app will securely read it. Once your card is recognized, the Tangem app will display a list of supported cryptocurrencies. Select the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. It's absolutely crucial at this stage to choose the correct cryptocurrency. Sending the wrong type of crypto to an address can result in permanent loss of funds, and nobody wants that. After selecting the cryptocurrency, the Tangem app will generate a unique receiving address. This address is like a digital mailbox specifically for that particular cryptocurrency on your Tangem wallet. You'll see options to either copy this address or view it as a QR code. Now, head back to the platform where your crypto is currently located. Navigate to the Withdraw or Send section. Here, you'll be asked for the recipient's address. Carefully paste the receiving address you copied from the Tangem app into the required field. If you opted for the QR code, most platforms offer an option to scan a QR code, which can be even quicker and reduces the risk of typos. Double check. Triple check. Seriously, take a moment to ensure that the receiving address in your sending platform exactly matches the address displayed in your Tangem app. Even a single incorrect character can lead to irreversible loss. Pay close attention to both the alphanumeric string and ensure no extra spaces or characters have been accidentally added during the copy-pasting process. Once you're absolutely certain the address is correct, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees that the sending platform might charge. Finally, initiate the withdrawal or send transaction. Depending on the platform and the network traffic, it might take a few minutes to several hours for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain and for the crypto to appear in your Tangem wallet. You can usually track the progress of the transaction using a transaction ID, TXID, or hash provided by the sending platform. To verify that the crypto has arrived in your Tangem wallet, simply open your Tangem app again. You should see the updated balance for the cryptocurrency you sent. Congratulations, you've successfully sent crypto to your Tangem wallet. You now have full, secure control over your digital assets in a convenient, tangible form. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.